were talking a little bit earlier just around like the complexity of the decisions that Netflix has to make. Do you think that that plays into why, like when you look at people, process, technology, people are sort of at the forefront of that is because of that level of decision making and complexity? What drives really that, or is that just a company value for Netflix?
I just think it's a company value. I think all of our problems are going to be complex. See, but everything's relative. Mm-hmm. When you think of who we're comparing ourselves to, when you think of any project I've worked on at Netflix, it's going to be gigantic to a startup, just because of who Netflix is, the size. You know what I mean? But now internally, this may not be considered as a complex project. This might just be what we consider as a small T-shirt, like because we use T-shirt sizes sometimes for projects. So I may explain to y'all a project, and y'all like, man, that's a triple XL. And I'm like, man, at Netflix, that was a small, because of we're used to these type of things. You know what I mean? For instance, the trying to help users understand that we wanted them to get their own password as opposed to sharing. That's a massive global company-wide problem. That was as complex as I think it could get almost.
With high stakes.
With tons of high stakes. Brand, money, user, just customer, everything was on the line for that. So that was as complex as it gets, I think. And I was really happy with the way we solved that. And we solved it through iterations. There wasn't no exact answer. There wasn't no exact moment where we knew that we had it figured out. We were constantly going. And I think that's how you have to solve complex problems sometimes. You have to break them down into almost individual smaller things, and you analyze them all, and now you attack them. Because if you just try to go at the big thing, sometimes you may just end up using all your energy, churn, time, burn people out, might not even be attacking it the right way. So we break complex problems down into small ones and then attack it to get all the way to the top and hopefully solve it.